How to fix ChatGPT voice conversation not working? Here's how. To start, open the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll down and tap on Apps to access the list of installed applications. Then select the Manage App option. Once you are there, use the search bar at the top to type ChatGPT. And when it appears, click on it to open its settings. Next, select App Permission and click on Microphone. Here, choose Allow only while using the app to ensure your voice conversation is enabled in ChatGPT. After that, go back and click on the Clear Data at the bottom right. Likewise, hit Clear Cache to wipe temporary files that might be causing the issue. And confirm your action when prompted. Finally, after completing this step, reopen the ChatGPT and test the voice conversation feature. And there you go. I hope this video helped.